Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. We've got the latest BattlBox coming to us. This is mission number 58. Let's jump right in and see what they've sent to us. Alright, so once again, you have 4 different levels. You've got your basic, advanced, pro, and pro plus. It's going to go $29.99, $59.99, $99.99, and then $149.99. At the pro plus level, you're going to be part of the Knife of the Month club. So at the basic level, first item is going to be coming in at an estimated value of $75, and it's the Settler's Wrench. And this is kind of a cool product because what you basically have here is a way to drill out holes. And, you know, if you want to make something in the woods, like say a stool or something, and you got some pegs that you want to put in for legs, let's say, well, you got to find a way to put a hole into the wood, and this is how you do it. So basically the way it works is you put a piece of wood through this, and then you can basically dig into the wood and drill out holes. So pretty cool. Here is your sheath. Let me just show you what it looks like when it's actually inside the sheath. It is a nice leather sheath. It does say Settler's Wrench right there on the front. You can see over here it says Helton Forged, and then Sean with the Wild, home of the original Settler's Wrench. So it's just a cool tool. This reminds me of TA Outdoors on YouTube. He made a really cool shelter in the woods with like a tower, and it was just really impressive. And so once he got a lot of people attracted to his channel from that, then he started building other shelters, and he does a lot with just hand tools. So this is a cool first item, valued at $75. So, you know, you're getting a lot of value right off the bat with this item. Your second item is this, and I'm going to back the camera up so you can see it a little bit better. So this right here is the BattlBox Personal Portable Safe with Combination Lock. Now it also comes with a cable as well. And let me just open this up so you can see inside here. So that's what it looks like inside. You've got some basically foam padding. Close it up. So right here you can see where you'd run the cable out. You basically put that silver part inside, lock it. So let's say you're out at a hotel or something, you put some items in here, you lock it up, and then you can attach it to something that's a permanent fixture in the hotel room. So this is valued at $24.99. So not a huge expense, but definitely a cool item. I will be using this pretty much immediately when I get done shooting this video. So that's your second item. And then your third item is this right here, which is the Lord and Field Bushcraft Arrowhead necklace. So this is pretty cool. You've got a fire steel here. You got a piece of cordage. It isn't 550 paracord, but seems pretty sturdy as far as a cord. And then you have right here you've got a leather basically sheath and cover for your arrowhead. And what you have to do is loosen this up like so, and then you can pull your arrowhead out like that. And now you've got your arrowhead, and then you've got the cutouts there, so you can attach it to the shaft of your arrow. And this thing is cool because you can put it right onto, you know, wear it on a necklace. So the way you put it back into the sheath, it's a little bit of work, but chances are you're not going to be using the arrow like every single day. So that runs through. Be careful not to cut yourself. I try to give myself a lot of slack there so I don't stab myself by accident. So that's that, and then you're going to run this little piece, this little, I want to say it's a bite, but it's not really a full bite, up through the hole, pull it out of the hole, and then line this up so you can get the arrow actually back into the sheath. So I got the arrow in the sheath. I'm going to pull this back through here like so. I'm going to pull this back through, and before it goes all the way up, I want to loop the piece of cordage down around the bottom there. Excuse me. And then like that, and like this. Now there's no way for the arrow to come out. It's nice and secure, and you got the fire steel there. So you could slide the fire steel down all the way to the bottom and just wear it like that, you know, and then this is obviously going around your neck. But value for this is $25, and Lord and Field is kind of their old school bushcraft line that BattlBox has. So there's your 3 items at the basic level. The value is $124.98. All right, moving on to the advanced level. The value for this item is $59.99. It's a knife from Bastion, which is a BattlBox brand, and this is pretty cool here. So this is what it is. It is a very slick gentleman's folder. They call it the Cram, K-R-A-M. Reminds me of a slightly larger version of the CRKT CEO. I don't see anywhere in the information what the steel is on the knife here, but well, we'll see. I'll dig into that. BattlBox, if you're watching, if you can leave a comment, that would be good for people to know. It does have a flipper. It's also got the thumb stud. I think I tried the flipper before, and I got to just loosen up the pivot a little bit. But with the thumb stud, definitely flies out very nicely. So this is valued at $59.99, and this is your only item at the second level, which is the advanced level. But that's a very slick looking knife. Kind of has a Quakin type look a little bit, and then, like I said, the CEO from CRKT, similar to that. Pocket clip's going to be tip up carry, right hand, liner lock there. Let's check out the centering. It's pretty nicely centered. It's maybe this looks like it's a little bit to the left there on camera, but pretty nicely centered, I would say. And there, yeah, overall looks like it's in pretty good shape. Again, the Bastion CRKT REM. All right, next up we have this backpack, which is, let me back the camera up a little bit here. So this is the Spartan 32. I'm assuming that means 32 liters. They're calling it a 2-day pack. Obviously, first thing you can see, lots of MOLLE webbing all over it. Nice big pocket on this side and on this side as well. You do have some straps that go across the front of the pack here. And then you can see the most interesting thing about this to me is that it reminds me of like Mystery Ranch packs, and that you have the zipper down the middle, and then that top section comes off. I'll show you that, or that top section opens up. I'll show you that in 1 minute. Down on the bottom we have some MOLLE, and then we also have, there's some MOLLE attachment points, and then we have a bungee cord. I will tell you, if you can look right here, I mean, the stitching looks really good on this. So lots of stitching through and on the MOLLE webbing on the side. Sometimes you get something that's looks like a cool pack, but the stitching is just really weak, basically. So this looks quite solid. Over here on the other side, you can see lots of attachment points on the straps. You can adjust it for however you want it to be resting on your shoulders. And then let me unsnap this. It does have a waist belt, but one of the cool things here is this. It's kind of this. There's a probably like, I don't know. Let's see. 3 fingers between the backpack and then this piece right here. So this mesh is going to allow air to flow there. You've got it down here as well on the belt. So that's really cool. One of my first Osprey packs I ever had years ago had that, and it just makes a difference as far as keeping you nice and cool. Got a grab handle up top if you want to, grab it and go. You can see there's a spot right there to run your hydration. Let me show you what the opening process looks like here. So you got a zipper that goes up like this. And then this one goes down the middle like so. I just don't want to bump the camera too much. But it opens up like that, and then you've got some internal mesh pockets. You got something for a water bladder or other storage. But basically just gives you a different way to access the pack as opposed to just unzipping a top and then trying to get down in. This allows you to access, basically the center portion of the pack. So this one looks pretty cool. I think BattlBox says this is like their favorite, or it's the best pack they've included so far. Definitely very cool, and like I said, lots of attachment points. So if you're looking to build a bug out bag or emergency bag, this is definitely one that you could use. They're saying the value for this is $119.99, and that's your only item at the Pro level. All right, last up at the Pro Plus level, we have the knife of the month. This is the WE Knife Company 704 XR BattlBox exclusive. It's going to be, the cost for this will be $119.99, and it's got D2 steel, G10 scales, and a hollow grind. Let me see if I can get it out without breaking it too much. There we go. So you do get a bunch of bonuses here. Looks like you get a sticker, little business card, looks like some information. You get the actual case to carry it in, and then you get a cleaning cloth, and then just some silica gel. Don't eat that, kids. And then here's a look at the knife. So that's a very handsome blade. The color, I would say, is like, it leans red, but it's definitely got quite an orange tinge to it too. Nice looking blade there. There's your pocket clip. Close it up here. Liner lock. Got the spacer there that kind of swoops down so you can run your lanyard through there. Pocket clip, tip up carry, right hand only. Here's deployment again. Very smooth. Very smooth. Beautiful knife. Beautiful knife. Really nice looking. Yeah, so I'll be between the Cram and this one as well. I'll definitely be EDCing both these guys and testing them out a bit more. So that again is at the Pro Plus level. You're going to get this. This is the 704 XR BattlBox exclusive from We Knives. Alright guys, so that's everything included in this month's BattlBox. I have to tell you that I like this box a lot. Last month's box I would say was like, I think I said it was good or okay. This one I really like a lot. I mean, there's just a lot of winners in this. And things that I'll use immediately, not just things that I'll like maybe use someday. But the knives, the Settler's tool is super cool. I can't wait to get out into the woods and test that thing out. Even the fire steel included with the Arrowhead, I think that's really cool. And like I said, the box as well, the combination lock portable safe, that's going to be a win for me as well. So lots of things I'm going to be using pretty much immediately. But let's hear your thoughts. What do you like about this? What would you change if you got this month's box? What do you have to say about it? Yeah, let's get the discussion started in the comment section down below. Thanks as always for checking out the videos. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.